What's up guys, my name is Brian, the owner of Engine Customs and Performance. Today I'm going to show you how to install the n-Fab Nerf Step System on a 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel. Now this install will work on all 5th generation Ram 1500s, including the quad cab and the crew cab. This one right here is a quad cab. Let's get started. Alright, so here's what comes with the n-Fab Nerf Step System. You have your driver's side and your passenger side Nerf bar. You have 18 nuts and 18 washers to install them. And you can see that the way to determine the passenger side and the driver's side is the rear step is going to have 2 brackets, whereas the front step is only going to have 1. That's how you can tell which one goes where. Now, if you're interested in purchasing the n-Fab Nerf Step System for your Ram 1500, you can do so directly on our website at ngencustoms.com. So let's go over the tools you're going to need to get the job done. Check it out. You're going to need a 3/8" socket wrench and a 13mm deep socket. Yep, that's it. All right, starting on the passenger side, take your Nerf step. You're going to go underneath the vehicle and you're going to find studs and you're going to hook the Nerf step up on these studs. Now that you have the bar hooked, you're going to see that you have 3 studs in the middle, and then you also have 3 studs on the other brackets. So the first thing is take one of the washers, put the washer on the stud, then take the nut, put the nut on, screw it on, just get it started to where it threads. And now you can actually let go of the bar while you get your other washers and nuts and put those on. All right, now that you have all 9 nuts and washers on the studs, you want to take a 3/8" socket wrench with a 13mm deep socket to tighten them down. Now, it's very important that you do not use an impact on these because you can cross thread or strip the studs. So n-Fab specifically states not to use an impact. So get it to where they are almost completely snug. And now when they're almost there, you want to push up on the bar and then tighten down the nut the rest of the way. All right, once you have all of the nuts tight on all 3 brackets, go ahead and take your socket and just do a turn one more time on each one just to make sure they're 100% tight. All right, now that you've got the passenger side Nerf step installed, go ahead and do the same thing on the driver's side. So this concludes the video on how to install the n-Fab Nerf Step System on a 2020 Ram Rebel. If you're interested in purchasing an n-Fab Nerf Step System for your Ram 1500, you can do so directly on our website at ngencustoms.com. And if you like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss any future install videos on a Ram 1500. And if you'd like to support the channel, we have t-shirts, hats, and hoodies available for purchase on the website. And until next time, I'm out.